Hello everyone, welcome to Holistic Workshop. Today we will introduce you to a healthy but tasty way of making mango ice cream. Mango has been cultivated for more than 4,000 years in tropical warm climate of Southeast Asia, but has recently been introduced into the temperate climates of Europe as well. It is a superfruit, and it has earned the tag as the king of all fruits for its taste and its multitude health benefits. Just a cup of mango can meet your daily vitamin C needs and helps boost our immunity, iron absorption, and cell repair. The phytochemicals in mango fight inflammation and removes free radicals, reducing the incidence for cardiovascular disease, cancer, promoting longevity, and reducing dementia. No wonder it is so popular. I have added some more statistics on the nutritional value of mangoes. High content of vitamin A, C, fiber, and has powerful antioxidants and polyphenols. How crazy is this? The fact that the peel and the seed of mango are even more nutritious than the pulp of flesh. Different parts of the mango tree have shown health benefits. Mangoes have too many health benefits to even enumerate. It has one of the most potent antioxidants known to nature, called Mangiferin. It has potent antioxidant, anti-inflammatory quality. In patients with inflammatory bowel disease, mango decreased pro-inflammatory cytokines such as IL-6, TNF-alpha, and enzymes as seen in the top left and right. And histological examination showed healed intestinal epithelium in individuals eating mangoes compared to controls as seen in the bottom right. The anti-diabetic properties of mangoes was shown in a study where a statistically significant reduction of blood glucose in a cohort of obese men and women was seen over a 12-week period. Mango has demonstrated anti-cancer activity against different tumor cell lines, such as pancreatic cancer, cervical, colon cancer, breast cancer, and even leukemia. Our next ingredient is raw, unprocessed, unfiltered honey. Studies have shown that honey can promote weight loss, lower blood glucose, improve seasonal allergies, boost our immunity, lower our cholesterol, and also antimicrobial and wound healing properties. However, the most important fact is it's very tasty. The third ingredient is almonds. As I have said before in my other previous videos, go nuts for nuts. They have several health benefits, and I have listed some of them in this video presentation. Our final ingredient is Greek yogurt to give a rich, creamy taste to our rich ice cream. Now, those who are vegan can easily substitute yogurt for banana or coconut milk. I've listed several benefits of yogurt. Let's make our ice cream now. Take 3 to 4 ripe mangoes, 1 cup of soaked almonds, 200 grams of Greek yogurt, and 60 ml of honey or 4 tablespoons of honey. You could add 1/2 teaspoon of lime. I prefer mine sweeter. You can peel them as I have, and then cut them into smaller pieces for the blender. In your blender, start with adding the yogurt first, as it helps it mix better. I have greased the cup so the honey pours easily. Add your almonds, which have been soaked overnight. And our final ingredient is the mangoes. Give it a good spin. Boy, it was very fragrant at this time. I just could not resist it. I had to go for a taste. It got my thumbs up mark of approval. And then pour it in a glass container, take out all the bubbles, and freeze it for roughly 2 to 4 hours. Cover it. And after it has been frozen for a few hours, the moment of truth arrived. Take a scoop, and I added some almonds on the top. And here are the nutritional content of 1 scoop of mango ice cream. Visit us at Holistic Workshop and begin your own journey towards health and happiness. Thank you for watching.